Well, guys, you know what? Everything in our body is connected, from the top to the bottom, from our toes to our hair follicles, certainly connected, and that also goes for your brain and your gut. So says Hima Dalal from Hima Dalal Integrative Health. Thank you for coming in.
Of course, of course.
All right, let's talk about this gut-brain connection. I mean, it's pretty much a straight shot.
So when we talk about the gut health, first thing comes to your mind is constipation, diarrhea, blues, muscle weakness.
You got the little rumbly in your
fear.
tumbly.
Right.
Yeah, I
and
get
then,
you.
And then most of the fear, the anxiety sits there, right? When you have a very important interview or you're stressed out about some situation, everything gets collected here.
Okay.
And when you're living with the stress and anxiety, the bloating comes and acidity comes and all this. Food and lifestyle impacts, but how you think impacts on a larger scale.
So what you're saying is sometimes the rumbly bumblies and things like that is more up here than it is what I put in my big fat mouth?
It can be connected with both.
Okay.
So you don't have to just pop pills and think that everything will be, because the emotional health is very much responsible for how your gut is going to react and act, and you can retrain. Everything can be retrained when you connect with your brain, and that's what the energy medicine, the mindfulness, awareness, along with the lifestyle changes, and even the crystal myofascial release type of a treatment, hands-on treatment, stretching, hands-on stretching can also help to get rid of all these problems, reconnect, reboot your system.
I like that.
And
just unplug it.
plug it with the integrative health.
There you go.
It will help.
There you go.
But also, eating right, you cannot avoid that. You have a food type, like your body is made up in Ayurvedic diet. We can evaluate, do you have more gas? Do you have more air in your body, or more acid in your body,
So
or
that
more
could be
fire?
inherent. So you know, if you burp or you toot, that could be just the way you're built.
Yes, and then according to that, your diet can change, but not just the diet. Time you eat, what you eat according to the weather, and how much you eat, and how do you cook. Cooking is a huge science.
Right.
And that science, just going in the kitchen, can take so many medicine out of your system.
Right.
You don't have to do it. And lifestyle, of course, you exercise, you run, right? And how important that is. But how to exercise right, that is also very important according to the problem. So yes, gut health can be very well helped with the integrative medicine and health.
Just call this lady right here. Hima Dalal, Integrative Health, as always. Great information, just makes you think about all the connection and what's going on down here in the impact. So thank you for coming in.
Thank
As
you.
always, guys, stick around. We'll be back.
Thanks.